Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedra. I'm in the water. Hey, I'm in the water. Now, Gen XS excites with Battlefield ahead of Trinidad Carnival season 2024. Ligony Golf Club swarmed with a sea of people. The Fete not only woke up the corporate district, but also saw the return of international DJ and former Love and Hip Hop cast member Gabrielle Davis to the island, making her soca debut.
This is my first soca event in Jamaica and overall, and I'm really excited. Everybody's receiving me very well. I love the high energy, and it gave me a chance to really branch out into another genre, so I'm having fun.
Now, with Trinidad Carnival 13 days away, Gen XS director Taje Belinfante spoke on setting the tone for Carnival season.
For us, we want to get people in the mood so that they are more empowered to say, yo, I am a soca junkie, right? I'm a carnival chaser. So having an event at the beginning of the year right before Carnival in Trinidad, it only makes sense.
While director Keno Johnson lauded the investment of sponsors for bringing the concept to fruition.
We have to thank our title sponsors, Rumstripe, and this event was powered by Powered. Without them, the investment would have been only a dream.
Gen XS Battlefield not only built anticipation ahead of Trinidad Carnival, but is also starting the momentum for Jamaica Carnival, which is scheduled for this April. Dance and Rebel kicks off the year with Kingston Creative. Downtown Kingston was bustling Sunday evening as Kingston Creative partnered with Red Stripe Flavors for the first art walk event for the year, which celebrates the UNESCO Creative City of Music. The event included a range of activities such as art and craft vendors, paint and sip events, and guided tours. In an E Prime exclusive, Dance and Rebel, who had a successful 2023, reflected on her journey so far.
The exposure and the love that I was receiving and still receiving is crazy. So I want everybody out there that has a dream to believe in you.
Adding that dancers are an important element of our culture.
Dancing is art, so why not add choreographers to the whole production? I mean, it's only fair because artists and dancers, we're just the same.
Now, Red Stripe Flavors assistant brand manager Cavell Robinson shared with E Prime on the partnership with Kingston Creative.
Each month there are different themes, right? And it all involves, dance, art, the culture. So it's just basically bringing people together.
Co-founder and executive producer of Kingston Creative, Andrea Dempster Chung, emphasized the importance of respecting the creative industry.
We're creating a new art district in downtown Kingston, first of its kind, and we love what is happening in Water Lane with the benefit of all our partners like the KSAC and TEF. It's really about strong partnerships that are bringing this city back to life. We're not trying to be any Miami, right? Miami is Miami and Wynwood is great, but we want our own culture to be preserved. We want our people and our artists to stay in downtown. We don't want it to be gentrified and it's Louis Vuitton stores and, you can't find Miss Nadine on the corner, you can't find Keith at his cool out bar. We really want to keep the essence of downtown because that is what has made the music. The fact that people can stay here, build relationships, the community is right there, the dancers live right there, the musicians live over there, the singers live over there. So the way downtown works, it's very important that we're careful in how we grow downtown and how we transform it.
That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedra. Thank you for watching. I'm in the water.